What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, a while ago, I made a video on MAGA Trump, and this position went from maybe like a $20 million market cap up to about a $300+ million market cap, seeing a crazy return from where it was. And honestly, I wouldn't say that it was because of my video to why that has happened, but more about what the coin represented, right? Not necessarily who it represented, but what it represented. And what I mean by that is elections, right? The election is going to have a strong presence in crypto, right? Because as you have election coins, you want to pick the right one that's going to blow up during that time period. And honestly, there's going to be a couple that are going to be created and a couple that really move during that time period. So you're looking at the more popular ones that are kind of popular now, that are building up a lot of momentum right now. And you saw what happened with MAGA Trump. Like, I can show you the information right on the screen. It's currently sitting at a 4.67 cent mark. It is down 29% as we're seeing the markets that are kind of decreasing heavily overall. Like, everything is really falling a massive amount. I don't think the overall market is actually falling by 51%, but it has fallen quite a bit because you see that up at the top. It says it fell by 51.6%. That's not the case. But you are seeing a lot of things that have fallen pretty hard in the last couple of days. But MAGA Trump is going to have a strong presence in the 2024 election year, right? When we have that election that does happen, take place, you're going to see election coins that are going to take off. And, MAGA Trump is one of those. However, if you miss this opportunity that's currently sitting at a $200 million market cap, you might be looking at another opportunity here, which honestly does show you maybe a little bit more. And again, it's about the what the coin represents, meaning the election process and having projects that really represent a more or less meme of the election in a way, right? And having a lot of money that flows through the crypto space through election coins. And that coin is, Super Trump. We need to talk about this. So, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, definitely go ahead and follow me there. I will provide all of the links for Super Trump down below if you guys want to check it out for yourself and do your own research in order to invest into one of these projects. Now, if we look at the website for Super Trump, it states right here, missed MAGA, don't miss Super Trump. And that basically tells you like it's the next level, right? There's no other project out here. I've heard somebody mention this anytime that I mention MAGA Trump, it was Super Trump that came up next. And honestly, I don't care what side you're on, whether you're Republican, Democrat, doesn't matter where you are, right? What does matter is the fact that you are into investments that are going to skyrocket. And election coins will make that move, but you want to find the most popular election coins in that sector, right? And there's going to be a bunch that are going to be created down the line, but I think the ones that are early adopters may end up blowing up a lot more. So you want to make sure you take all that in consideration. Now, we are looking at the max supply of 2.6 billion, circulating supply of 1.7 billion, almost 1.8 billion, market cap of $23.1 million. CMC ranking, so coin market cap ranking is 2,434, which we will go through once we look through the position as well. And there's 4,175 holders within it. So it has some popularity to it, right? Having 4,000 plus holders is no small feat, right? It's definitely some sort of large accomplishment in my opinion. USD, you have 269 $1,000 USD, which is 77 ETH. The amount of Strump tokens is 2.07. There's no commas there, so we're looking at 20 million. I guess that's there. Uniswap is the partners. CoinGecko, you have CoinMarketCap, and that's pretty much it as of right now. Now join Super Trump Revolution as a meme-driven coin. We're rallying all Trump supporters to fuel our mission to take over the White House with the election nearing the Trump hype is reaching new heights. Backed by his exclusive NFT collection, it's crystal clear. Trump needs to be the first crypto-friendly U.S. president. Our unique crypto token is more than just an investment. It's a symbol of support for Trump's political movement. So whether you look at it that way or you don't look at it that way, I mean, it's all about the investment side of it. Honestly, that's the way that I look at it. It's all about the investment side of it because you want to be a part of something that could potentially be worth a hell of a lot more, and also be all about crypto, right? Pro-friendly crypto in a way. However you want to look at it, you do your research, see if it's something that's good for you. But if we look into the position, it's currently sitting at 1.3 cents. It's up 58% in the last day. We're seeing this up to a $23 million market cap with $9 million worth of volume. And this comes with having Uniswap, having LBank, having some exchanges there, 19 other pairings, which probably does come with a lot of Jupiter pairings that are there. But you are seeing Bitmart and other places that you can purchase it. I will provide all the links down below if you guys want to purchase it yourself. Again, this may be early stages, and whether you're Republican or Democrat, doesn't matter which side you actually are, I'm sure they're open to having anybody invest into it to see the investment grow. If you're into money, I would imagine election coins on both sides are really going to run quite a bit. So Strump is definitely an option. I want you guys to go ahead and give that a look. Currently, you're seeing 68 or 70% of the supply that is out there compared to the 2.6 billion that is there, meaning fully diluted market cap is about 33.9 million, which is not crazy. There's some that, if you saw it at a way higher market cap, it might have a larger impact there, but you're not really seeing that. So again, and they also have OrangeX, which I feel like is a really popular exchange as well. So I didn't notice that the first time. But they also have, I guess, the collect Trump cards. If you guys are interested in that, I guess that link will be down below as well. But this is more about seeing Super Trump and seeing what that can progress to be, which in the last 7 days up 55%, in the last month up 3,468%. So honestly, it's about gaining as much as you can. And imagine what that percentage actually was when it was up to 3 cents, which would be, I guess, triple what this would be. Instead of looking at 3,000, you're looking at 6,000, you're looking at 9,000% that you gained within this one position from the starting point. So I know you guys are interested in gaining something throughout it. Make sure you guys check out the links for yourself, see if it's enjoyable for you, see if it makes sense for you. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below for S Trump as well as, or Super Trump, as well as, any of the the website links or my links that are down there as well. But guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.